mother.
I'm with the gang like I'm Tony Montana, nigga. I'ma pull up with some fucking goons. I'm with a couple trap bitches, thinned out, yeah, sipping dirty. I'm going harder than ever, I'm grinding, I'm flying, I'm speeding like I hit the booth. I touch the sky when I smoke on that big gas, got a jetpack, I'm a fool. 16 or 32, nigga, it don't matter, keep a murder weapon in the booth. We bout to squad up, get the loot pack, boy, yourself, gang can't lose. If I see ops, then I don't hesitate, load the clip, I'ma shoot. This that self shit, we self-paid, yeah, self-made, nothing new.
Hey, look for a minute, we got this shit done. Say shit, man, I say shit. Got no time for the love me or love me not. On my way to the top and I gotta climb. Niggas gon' line them up if he out of line. And then when the trick you get fine like mine. You little bitch, yeah, I'm trippin'. Don't get it confused, you gon' get a pie. Yeah, I got them hitters with me. You better hope the universe on your side. Yeah, little bitch, I'm trippin'.
RJ, RA, or he might go hop in a 550. If I know he ain't sure and he not with me, only 10 in the clip, this is not 50. Rush Baller, chilled out, but don't make that nigga come slide with me. Bending blocks in the Audi, I hang out the passenger, he keep on throwing them shots with me. Hold on, tell me the nigga that act up. I call up Dule, spinning the Uber, but fuck it though, bro, coming masked up. Say you got killers and you in the field, but y'all got no bodies that add up. I be my brother, he crippin' for real, but most of my niggas throw hats up. I put a op in the blunt, roll the gas up. I'm tryna raise all the stats up. Rush Baller, eat if he food, he get packed up. You ain't immaculate, why you throw Mac up? Hop out of range, I can't hop out of black up. Who would be dumb to come try and attack us? We finish with him, his body get wrapped up. I'm making money and building the trap up. RJ, RA, or he might go hop in a 550. If I know he ain't sure and he not with me, only 10 in the clip, this is not 50. Rush Baller, chilled out, but don't make that nigga come slide with me. Bending blocks in the Audi, I hang out the passenger, he keep on throwing them shots with me.
My shooter be throwing them shots with me. If I pull up, I bring the whole block with me. Walking around with a Glock when we won't call nobody.